All right, we're also watching EV makers. Nio reporting a widening loss despite rising revenue. Yahoo Finance's senior auto correspondent Pras Subramanian is here. And Pras, it is interesting, everything that is going on in the world, in crypto, you name it. Nio is the top trending ticker on our site. What did they do in the quarter?
Yeah, they had a big sales quarter, up 33% from a year ago. So a big revenue there. A little bit of a wider miss than expected in terms of their profit loss or loss for the quarter. Margins kind of coming down a bit because of higher costs, which we've been seeing across the board. But hey, they're talking about huge sales quarter. The CEO talking about their new ET5 sedan that's going to come out soon. They're seeing strong support for that, so he sees growth there for their Q4 deliveries. They're seeing like 43 to 48,000 units delivered. That's on top of last quarter's record deliveries and revenue of 2.4 to 2.7 billion next quarter. So it looks like Nio is sort of all systems go here. But then again, what's lurking over the top is the COVID-related issues in China. So we'll see how that works out with them. But so far, so good for Nio today.
Pras, staying in the EV landscape, we know that Tesla was removed from Wedbush's Dan Ives, friend of the show.
My man.
Yeah. His best ideas list. Now nixed from it, slashed the price target. All right, so what really took place here? What kind of impact do you see coming from this?
I mean, I got to say, I was surprised. He threw in the towel. I mean, he finally had enough. Dan Ives had enough. I mean, I did a story yesterday about all the different the stock sales that Musk has done since closing the Twitter deal. And just anecdotally, a lot of people are coming to me and saying this is not good from Elon's reputational point of view.
Yeah.
He said he was done selling, he's not. And they're seeing the mismanagement. I have some of the mismanagement at Twitter. What does that mean for Tesla? It's sort of taking the shine off his managerial prowess, right? If you're seeing him suffer this badly with Twitter, what does it mean for Tesla at a time when it's so crucial for them to perform with new competition? So I think that he's just done. He cut the price target, like you mentioned. Call it still the Twitter albatross, right? It's still around the necks of Tesla. And he says, Musk has done what no one else hasn't done, what the bears haven't done. He actually brought the stock down. Well,
staying on Dan Ives, he's out with a note now on Rivian, leaving that rating and an outperform, saying the company's 25,000 production target for year-end around deliveries remains on course, and he's cautiously optimistic they may hit it.
Yeah, it was a great quarter for them in terms of they had a slight revenue miss, but a smaller, narrower loss. They reiterated that 25,000 production forecast. Said they added that second line in the factory normal, doing well. They got 7,300 vehicles last quarter. It seems like they're trending higher, that they can hit that, at least get close to that 25,000 production forecast. A couple of things from the call, though. I noted that they're going to stop giving pre-order information for their cars. They said it's not really helpful.
Gee, that's always a great signal.
I mean, it went up to 100.
Let's give investors less information, even while we're burning through lots of money.
Yeah, I thought that was a little interesting. And then they pushed back the sort of the launch of their R2 vehicle in 2026, based on that Georgia factory probably coming online in 2025 now. So a little bit of bad news there, but they were confident that it's going to happen. They're excited about the new motors and things like that. So it seems like Rivian is at a good spot for now.
All right, consumer prices, crypto, and cars rounding out today's A Block. Pras Subramanian helping us do that. Appreciate it.